So guys, I use this mold, gingerbread mold, because in light of the holidays, and this is how the cookies came out. As you can see, they're nice and thick and they're delicious. Look at that. So they're gonna go in these packages and we're gonna give it to our little doggy friends. As you can see, it is ready to go. There's more that I have to wrap, but I just wanted to show you guys the end product, how cute it came out with these little ginger shaped cookies, homemade cookies that I make for my dogs. If you guys want to get the recipe, feel free and DM me and I will be happy to share the recipe. We're gonna give these out to the doggies tomorrow at the pet adoption event as a Christmas gift to them so they can munch on. And feel free to stop by. We're going to be in my driveway tomorrow between 12 and 3 at 6651 Matelia Avenue. It's our second pet adoption event, our neighborhood pet adoption event in Valley Glen, and hope to see you there. Thank you. Bye.